Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure WhatsApp can access the internet and that you have the Google Drive app or a browser installed. Once done, locate the Drive link in the chat and tap it, not the message, the actual link. If you want to inspect or forward the link, long press and copy it first. When a chooser appears, pick Google Drive for full features or your browser to view quickly. This matters because Drive gives direct preview and permission prompts. Once the link opens, you may hit a permission or sign-in screen. Grant storage or account access if asked, because without it you may only see an error. If the file is restricted, sign into the Google account that has access. Make sure you're using the right email. After that, choose View to preview, download to save a local copy, or open with to use another app. Different file types behave differently, so pick the option that fits your next action. To finish, decide whether to share or save. Tap Share inside Drive to add viewers or choose Download to keep a local file. If you see an access denied message, use the Request Access button and message the owner. That resolves most permission problems. If links still won't open, make sure app caches aren't corrupted, clear WhatsApp or Drive cache, sign out and back in, or reinstall the problematic app. This usually fixes stubborn loading or chooser issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.